Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take a trade with our 5-minute strategy, and I will explain you the whole setup in detail so that you can apply the same while trading. So let's get started. As you can see, market previously moving in an uptrend, and right now market reverse. As you can see, this price action, this is the high, low, lower high and lower low, shows that market wants to fall down. This price action suggested that market should be falling down, so it's a confirmed downtrend right now. So we are going to stick with the trend. We'll try to take trades in the direction of the trend. So first of all, let's draw some key levels, and the only key level which I can find on this chart is this horizontal level of resistance. So this is the whole zone of resistance, and market is approaching towards that zone. So in the future, I think market is going to reverse from this level as the trend is downtrend, and you can see some rejections that are coming from the resistance zone itself. This is a spinning top, or you can say a dozy, which is a sign of indecision. Now we have to wait for the market to give us a confirmation candlestick here, then we can go for a trade. If this candle close below the wick of the dozy, then we are going to go for a trade in the downward direction, because this will be the confirmation candle. Otherwise, we'll wait for the market to go up more, and then we'll try to find another opportunity. But it looks like that this is the confirmation, so we are going to stick with the confirmation. Let's wait for the next 15 seconds, as this candle is going to finish in the next 15 seconds, and then we are going to take a 5-minute trade here in the direction of the newly formed trend. So I have taken a 5-minute trade here. The reason is very simple. This is a reversal pattern. Market reverses from a whole number which is quite good, which you can see it is 138.000. So it's a strong number. Market did reverse from the same level, so we can say that we can include this whole number as well. And you can see market is falling downward. As the trend was downtrend, we have got strong resistance, we have got reversal pattern in our favor, and that's why I placed the trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result we'll try to explain you one more time why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily, and now let me explain you the trading setup again. So the first thing that you have to understand about this trade is that I have taken this trade in the direction of the trend. But how I confirm the trend, you can see I have explained this in my previous price action series, that you need to find 4 things. That this is, you can see here, this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, and this is the lower low. This is the point where our downtrend is confirmed. When you find the lower low forming, then you can say that the market is in downtrend. When you find higher highs are forming, then you can say the market is in uptrend. Like in this case, as you can see here, let's start from here. Okay, so this was the low, this was the high, higher low, higher high. That uptrend was confirmed at this point, and after that you can place your trade and like find your setup according to the market trend. In this case, the trend was downtrend clearly. So in my mind, I was thinking that if market retraces back, it has to reverse because it will going to continue its trend, which is downtrend. So for the market to reverse, what we need 2 or 3 situations, like a weak market, a good strong resistance or a support, and a good confirmation candlestick. In this case, we got strong resistance, which was here. This was a resistance zone. Market reverses here. You can see previously market also respected the same level, and this level was also a whole number, which makes this level even stronger. So we have got a strong resistance here. This is the first confirmation. The second one is this candlestick pattern. I have explained you that when you find dozy formation on a support or a resistance level, you always wait for the next candle. If next candle broke the high or low, like in this case, we are going to place a trade in the downward direction. So we need a breakout from the low of this dozy, which this candlestick did clearly, and that's why this was the confirmation candlestick, and the pattern shows us a reversal sign. So we have got strong resistance, we have got whole number, we have got strong confirmation candle, as well as a reversal pattern. So we placed a 5-minute trade in the direction of the trend, and that's why we won this trade. In most cases, you will going to find these setups and you will going to win, but in some cases you might lose the trade, which doesn't mean that these kinds of things don't work. See, simple things works, price action always works, but for some days it might not work for you. So on such days you can skip the trading and have something else on this day. So all in all, I want to say that you have to stick with a strategy and you have to apply it every day. Be consistent with it and you will see results. Always trade less, because if you trade in quantity, you will end up having losses and your confidence will go down. So I will advise you to trade less. Take a considerable note of what you are trading, of what strategy you are applying, and how many trades you are taking, and how many trades are you winning, and stick with the plan and focus on the consistency and the way you apply the strategy, and you will end up having a good winning ratio. So that is it for today. I hope that you have learned something out of this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.